Now I'm going to show you how to install the filter cartridge on a Smart U or a Smart I. So the filter cartridge comes in its own black plastic bag. Remove it from the bag. It's sealed. So this does not come apart and pull apart. You need to replace the whole cartridge. You've got your insert which fits inside the water bottle. So what you do is you get the insert and slide the cartridge in from the top, and it will sit flush. You can see there, it sits flush inside. Put it inside the water bottle. Fill it up with water, and I'll give it a couple of minutes for the water to filter through the filters or to make its way through the filter granules. When they're dry, it takes a few minutes, okay? Now, when do you need to change them? You see how they're half goldy brown and half black? I'll just take that out so you can see it a little bit better. So you can see that when they're all goldy brown, completely, it's time to change the cartridge. About 50 to 60 litres of use, or 50 to 60 hours of ironing, depending on where you live in Australia, okay? So the cartridge is sealed. Don't try and pull that apart. It sits inside the insert. It sits flush. Sit it inside the water bottle. Fill it up with ordinary tap water. Wait for it to filter through, and then sit it on your boiler, and you're ready to go, okay? Quick and easy for both the Smart U and the Smart I models.